Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Here we are comparing OnePlus Pad Lite and OnePlus Pad Go. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Both devices come with an IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both tablets are powered by the Mediatek chipset and also they offer 8GB RAM. Camera features. OnePlus Pad Go comes with 8MP rear camera and 8MP front camera, and the OnePlus Pad Lite comes with 5MP rear camera and 5MP front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both two tablets include Bluetooth 5.2 and SD speakers. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.